welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you guys a neat little mod that'll save you a lot of money. Normally if you want induction noise, you'll need to replace the intake plenum on your V8 M3 with a carbon fiber one from E92 or another brand, and those are usually about $2,500 to $3,000 just for a carbon fiber plenum to add more sound. So I wanted to add induction noise without increasing the cost, so I added this sound tube that goes all the way to the firewall inside the cabin to the driver's side. You'll be able to hear a lot more induction noise inside the cabin, and it really makes a difference. The nice thing is I've cut it into my K&N air filter, and there's a rubber grommet there to prevent any air from leaking in, and it's at the air filter itself. The way this works is you get all of this noise from the 8 individual throttle bodies that transmits out from the intake in through the sound tube into the cabin. Forgive my engine bay, I need to clean it, but once this is covered up, it'll look stock or OEM. So I'll put the stock engine cover or airbox cover back on, and you can't even tell that it's modified to make more induction noise. So this is a cheap way to get way more induction noise into the cabin without buying an intake plenum made out of carbon fiber. Once again, there's my rubber grommet, my custom made tubing all the way into the firewall right over there. You just have to drill through the firewall, but it's not bad. Just use a hole saw and you'll get in there. As you can see, the induction noise is a lot louder than before, and it's much cheaper than buying the carbon fiber intake plenum. It's amazing that you can still hear it even through all my exhaust modifications. The exhaust is so loud, but when you put the windows up, you'll hear that induction noise clearly. You really can't go wrong with induction and exhaust noise on this car.